Good morning to everyone. Yesterday we studied about relation. Today I want to revise some definitions of related to relation. What is relation? Relation is a subset of Cartesian product of two non-empty set A and B. यानी A and B दो नॉन एम्प्टी सेट है जिसमें रिलेशन आर डिफाइन किया गया है. किसी भी रिलेशन को डिफाइन करने के लिए हमें दो सेट की आवश्यकता होती है, यानी मिनिमम 2 एलिमेंट्स की आवश्यकता होती है. रिलेशन जो है एक सेट ए से सेट ए में भी डिफाइन हो सकता है. यहाँ मैंने सेट ए से बी में लिया है. रिलेशन आर इज डिफाइन फ्रॉम सेट ए टू बी. आर इज सबसेट ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी. आर जो है रिलेशन जो है ए क्रॉस बी का एक सबसेट होता है. इसके बाद टाइप्स ऑफ रिलेशन में मैंने बताया था रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन. व्हाट इज रिफ्लेक्सिव रिलेशन? लेट रिलेशन आर, मान लीजिए हमने रिलेशन आर डिफाइन किया है फ्रॉम सेट ए टू ए. टेक एन एलिमेंट A belong to set A if A, A belong to R, यानी A का A से रिलेशन हो for every A belong to A, then R is reflexive relation. And next symmetric relation. For this let A, B belong to A, यानी सेट A और B सेट A के एलिमेंट्स है. if A, B belong to A, this implies B, A belong to R, यानी A का B से रिलेशन है तो B का A से रिलेशन होना जरूरी है. for every A, B belong to A, then R is symmetric relation. And next transitive relation. Let A, B and C three elements. Take three elements A, B, C in set A. If A, B belong to R and B, C belong to R, यानी A का B से रिलेशन है और B का C से रिलेशन है, then A, C belong to R हो तो जो R है वो transitive relation होगा. then R is transitive relation. If a relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then R is equivalence relation. These are some important definitions. Please note down this. Then after we will take some examples related to relation. Please note down this. Now we take question number 1 for today. आज का पहला क्वेश्चन है a relation R defined in real number set. relation R defining R to R, रियल नंबर के सेट में डिफाइन किया गया है. रिलेशन R जो है रियल नंबर के सेट में डिफाइन किया गया है. रिलेशन R इक्वल टू ए बी बिलोंग टू R. R equal to AB, R equal to A, B if A is less than equal to B square. We have to check this relation is, we check for A equal to 1 by 2. A equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is less than equal to 1 by 2 का स्क्वायर. 1 by 2 is less than equal to 1 by 4. Not true. Not true. We can say A, not belong to R for A equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. For symmetric. Now we check for symmetric. For this we know that if A, B belong to R, then B, A belong to R. ये कंपल्सरी है. Let 1, 2 belong to R. Since 1 is less than equal to 2 square, this implies 1 is less than equal to 4. But 2, 1 not belong to R. 2 is less than equal to 1 का स्केयर. Since 2 is less than equal to 1, not true. Therefore, thus we can write 1, 2 belong to R. 1, 2 belong to R, but 2, 1 not belong to R, therefore R is not symmetric. Now we check for transitive relation. For this, let A equal to 3, B equal to 2 and C equal to 3 by 2. We see that 3, 2 belong to R. Since 3 is less than equal to 2 का scale, true, and 2, 3 by 2 belong to R since 2 is less than equal to 3 by 2 का scale, true. But 3, 3 by 2 not belong to R since 3 is not less than equal to 3 by 2 का scale. Therefore, R is not transitive. R is not transitive. Please note down this. Now we can see here R is not reflexive, not symmetric, and not transitive relation. Now we take another question from relation. Please note down this. Now we take another question related to relation. Question number 2. Let a relation R defined as relation R equal to A, B if absolute A minus B is multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. Relation R defining from set A to A equal to X belong to Z and X belong to Z. Zero less than equal to X less than equal to 12. Is an equivalence relation. We have to prove this is an equivalence relation. For this, first we take reflexive. For reflexive, let X belong to set A. Then X minus X, absolute X minus X equal to 0 is multiple of 4. Is multiple of 4. Therefore, X comma X belong to R. Therefore, R is reflexive. R is reflexive relation. Now for symmetric. Let X comma Y belong to set A. X comma Y belong to set A. X Y belong to R. This implies X Y belong to R. इसका मीनिंग हो गया X minus Y absolute is multiple of 4. Is multiple of 4. This implies if X minus Y is multiple of 4, then absolute Y minus X is also multiple of 4. Is multiple of 4. Therefore y comma x belong to R. Therefore R is symmetric. Therefore R is a symmetric relation. For transitive, let x, y, z belong to set A. Let x, y belong to R. X, y belong to R, and y, z belong to R. We can say x minus y absolute is multiple of 4. Multiple of 4, and absolute y minus z is also multiple of 4. If absolute x minus y is multiple of 4 and absolute y minus z is multiple of 4, then x minus y is multiple of 4. X minus y is multiple of 4, and y minus z is also multiple of 4. We see here x minus y and y minus z, both numbers are divisible by 4. If two numbers are divisible by 4, then their sum is also multiple of 4. Then we can say x minus y plus y minus z is multiple of 4. Multiple of 4. We say plus y and minus y cancel. This implies x minus z is multiple of 4. X minus z is multiple of 4. If x minus z is multiple of 4, then x minus z absolute x minus z is also multiple of 4. H multiple of 4. Therefore x comma z belong to R. We say here x minus y belong to R and y minus z belong to R, and we prove x minus z is also related to R. Thus R is a transitive relation. Therefore R is a transitive relation. Then we can say relation R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore R is an equivalence relation. Therefore R को हमने रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रूफ किया, सिमेट्रिक प्रूफ किया, ट्रांजिटिव प्रूफ किया. Therefore R जो है हमारे पास इक्विवेलेंस रिलेशन प्रूफ हो गया है. So please note down this. Then we take other question. Today's other question, question number 3. After this, please note down this. Therefore R is equivalence relation. Now we take today question number 3. Question is let set n is set of natural number. N is set of natural numbers. Relation are defined on n cross n. AB relation CD if A plus D equal to B plus C. We have to see, we have to prove that R is an equivalence relation. R is an equivalence relation. First we check for reflexive. First we check for reflexive. Let A comma A belong to n cross n. A comma A belong to n cross n. A comma A relation A comma B. There is A comma B. Let A comma B belong to n cross n. Then we have to prove AB relation AB. We see here AB relation CD. Then A plus D equal to B plus C. AB relation AB meaning, this meaning is A plus D equal to B plus C. Then we can A plus B equal to B plus, there is B plus C, यानी B plus A. It is true since sum in natural numbers, sum of natural numbers is commutative. Since addition is commutative, addition is commutative for addition. Addition is commutative in set of natural number. Set of natural numbers के लिए addition है वो commutative होता है. Therefore we can say A plus B equal to B plus A. Therefore R is reflexive. Therefore R is reflexive. Now we check for symmetric. Let AB comma CD belong to n cross n. AB relation CD, this implies A plus D equal to B plus C. We can write as B plus C equal to A plus D, or C plus B equal to D plus A, since addition is commutative. Addition is commutative in set of natural number in n. Therefore we can say C comma D relation A comma B. Therefore R is symmetric. Therefore R is symmetric relation. R is symmetric. Please note down this. Now we check for transitive. Let AB, CD, EF belong to n cross n. Let AB relation CD, this implies A plus D equal to B plus C, and C comma D relation E comma F, this implies C plus F. There is A plus D, first and last element. फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का फर्स्ट एलिमेंट और सेकंड वाले का लास्ट. तो देन वी कैन राइट C प्लस F इक्वल टू D प्लस E. Let this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Adding first and second, we get A plus D plus C plus F equal to B plus C plus D plus E. We see here there is C and D, cancel by C and D. This implies we can write A plus F equal to B plus E. E. Therefore we can write A comma B relation E comma F. Thus we prove AB relation CD and CD relation EF, then AB relation EF. Therefore R is a transitive relation. R is a transitive relation. Thus R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Thus R is a reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore R is equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. Today we study about some examples of relations. Note down this all the examples and practice some other examples for this topic. Then you can experts in this question, solve these questions. Thank you for watching. Okay, thank you. आज की क्लास में ही ओवर करता हूँ. Okay, thank you.